Hey guys, it's 2015, day 71. Just an update on my trades. So since the last time I closed out the Australian US dollar trade, I probably should have waited a little bit longer and traded it, kind of closed it out when it sort of rose up, because I closed it on the 25th, which was around here. And I think I closed it when it was quite far down, so I actually closed it around 13 o'clock. So around between this candle bar here, these two candle bars here, as you can see, it kind of actually rose up. So maybe I could have saved a bit of money, but either way, it was a losing trade, and I needed to close it out anyway. Since then, I've been making a few trades since then. So I traded these about roughly 3 days ago on the 9th of March. And this was testing out a sort of London strategy that I picked up from a friend. So I tried to buy it on the open, and wasn't a successful trade. Where were we? The 9th. So we bought it around this time here, and it was a buy. It did kind of close out a little bit too early, and then it rose up. So picked the right direction, but the stop loss was a bit tighter than what I would normally go for. As you can see, I only lost $1.64, so not a major loss there, but yeah, definitely a smaller stop loss than what I would usually do. But as you can see, it's actually changed direction now. So, but it was going to be a very short-term trade, just to kind of sculpt the the London Open, the Euro US dollar. So I've actually just entered this trade as well, but I did also make a trade 3 days ago where I shorted it, and I'm looking to short it again. There hasn't been a super clear signal at the moment, but I'm taking it from a few indecision bars here, and the general EMA bias is bearish, so I'm going with that and just running with it. I did put my stop loss a little bit higher than usual, and I'm anticipating someone pulling off one of these pin bars where it's got a long stick, just to try and close out people in the market. So that's the reason why I've done that. But it is a longer term trade. As you can see, my stop loss is actually much further down, and back down to where levels were once back in 2001. But if it continues to trend downwards, I may look to extend my take profit a little bit further, perhaps down to this level here, but that's being a bit ambitious, so I'll leave my take profit there. But I did also make another trade, like I said, 3 days ago as well, and that was a successful trade. Came out with $5 on top of that, and it would have been quite a few pips from memory. The Great British Pound Swiss, so this was buying it. So it looks like this is still trending upwards daily. That's what I want. So you can see the EMAs crossed. I entered the trade and came out with a successful profit. I may look to do the same again, but I'm trying not to be too aggressive, seeing as I've actually just hit back break even with my account. So I'm back up to around $500. So I'm just trying to play it a bit more safe, but that's probably not such a good thing if I play it safe, because then I'll make stupid trades. So trying to get over this hesitation bias. So may look to enter another trade again, but at the moment just this one Euro US dollar sell, but I may look to enter other markets a bit more aggressively, since there does look to be very strong bias towards this is a buy, obviously, so I might look to enter that shortly.